Morning. My name is Eric Bobo, and I'll be your instructor for this class, which is World Civilization 2 online. We'll give you a short little video about what you need to be doing these first couple of days of class, both of them involving getting something set up and doing or getting access to some of our resources. So if you come into the class, this is the home page that will greet you. If you scroll down here, there is a list of things to do, including reading the syllabus, looking at the instructor information, okay, taking a look at the modules, doing our opening week assignments, okay. This video is going to show up, the link to it is going to show up right here. So there are a couple of things that you need to do to get started, but I'm going to try to give you a couple pointers here real quick, okay? I've made myself a student, so this should be what you see when you come into the course. If you look over here on the left, there is a link right here that says bookshelf. If you click on that, then this will open, and it will have your name here. If you click on the textbook, then this will open, and it asks you to create an account, okay? So what you will do is you will put your email in here. Use your Heinz email. It's the easiest way to link to this course. Put your Heinz email in and click continue. Okay, so I'm going to do that real quick and click continue. Okay, it will ask you to put your first name in, your last name in, your password. You have to make a password. It tells you what it has to contain. You confirm that password. You answer a security question, whichever one you want to do. Put your answer in here. Click I agree, and then click finish. Once you do that, your account will be done. Okay. So I'm going to get out of student view real quick and show you what it looks like when you create your account. Okay, it recognizes you because it has my email address paired to it, so it knows who you are. You click here, and the textbook will open. Okay, this is an instant access course, which means that you have access to the course. And so the textbook will open. You can click here for the table of contents, and you're off and running. Okay, this is how you gain access to your textbook. There are other ways that you can gain access to the textbook, and those are available to you by clicking on the instant access link that you see on the home page. Okay, that's one thing down. All of you need to do that as soon as possible, and remember to use your Heinz email address to do this. Okay, not your personal one, not your Gmail one. Use your Heinz address. Okay. Now, the other thing is, let's go back to the home page here. I'm going to make myself a student again. So again, it'll be what you see. If we go into modules, then we start seeing some of the things that you need to be reading. Heinz information, help and support, okay, distance learning policies and procedures. Here are our first week assignments, our orientation survey, and our opening week discussion. Both of those are due by Friday. But if you scroll on down here, you start seeing some of these assignments that are paired with our textbook. Okay, so let's just take a look at this map quiz, for example, here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and it will open here, and it says and asks you to load quiz for chapter 16 in a new window. So we're going to do that. And when it does, it is going to ask you for your email address. This one is super important. All right, make sure that you put your Heinz email address in. That's what's loaded into the system, and that's how it will recognize you. Okay, so you must put your Heinz email address in there for you, in there for them. Okay, so you will enter your Heinz email address here. Okay, so I'm just going to put one in, and then when you do that, then it will take you to another page where it will ask you some information. You'll have to put your name in and things like that. But once you do that, then you will have paired yourself to the Launchpad as well. Okay, and you only have to do this once. But I cannot emphasize enough, make sure that you put in your Heinz email address here. Okay. All right, let's go back to the home page again. So let's remember that our video will show up here. It's important that you watch the video, and if you're hearing this, you should be reading it. The syllabus is also super important. Okay? So click on that, and this has all the information about the course, my contact information, including my email address, okay, the course name, the policies, and of course, if you scroll on down here, how you'll be graded. Okay. Also, it's very important that you take a look at the proctored testing information, which you see right there, the attendance policies, which are right here, okay, and the academic honesty and these important things from the college, okay. If you keep scrolling, then you will see a list of assignments and due dates. These are here. They are here from the first day. Now, they may change a little bit depending on some of the things. And of course, some of our things are still being loaded. But this is an easy way to see when our next assignments are due. Okay? They're also going to show up. If I scroll on back up here, they are also going to show up over here on the side in your to-do list. And you can always click on view calendar and see all of the assignments that are coming up in the calendar. Okay. So let's get started. Make sure that you go in and create your bookshelf account and that you go ahead and create your Macmillan account. And you do that, you can click on one of those assignments and modules like I did over here. Just scroll in and click on one of these, and it will ask you to pair your email with the course. Again, make sure that you use your Heinz email. Okay, look for more content, more communication from me over the next couple of days as we get started. I'll be checking on your progress to make sure that you are in here. If you have any questions, email me. Okay, my phone does not work right now because I've moved offices, so email is always the best form of communication. All right, see you guys.